Good morning, 5th class children. We are discussing about weight in metric measures now. Now today the course book continuation, children. Open your course book, page number 39. In the previous video we are discussing about weight and we done some word problems, children. Now today also some more problems are there in your course book. Open your course book, children. Look, children, page number 39. Wholesale sellers buy items in large quantities. For example, they buy rice in quintals. 1 quintal means how many kgs? 100 kgs. A wholesale grocer buys 30 bags of rice. If each bag weighs 25 kg, how many quintals of rice did he buy? So, a wholesale sellers buy large quantities of items. For example, rice. Rice they buy in quintals. Here 1 quintal means 100 kg. 1 quintal means 100 kg. So, here a wholesale seller buys 30 bags of rice. If each bag weighs 25 kg, how many quintals of rice did he buy? So, weight of 30 bags of rice. 30 into what is the weight for each bag? 25 kgs. 30 into 25. Multiply. 30 into 25. 5 zeros are 0. 5 threes 15. Next multiply with tens place digit. So don't write under ones place. So 2 zeros are 0. 2 threes are 6. 0, 5, 7. 750 kg. 700 kg plus 50 kg. The expanded form for this. 700 kg plus 50 kg. So we have to change this into quintals. Quintal means 100 kg. So 700 divided by 100 plus 50 divided by 100. So here 2 zeros get cancelled. 7 quintals plus 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones, 5 twos. 1 by 2 quintal. Total is 7.5 quintals. Next one. If he buys 50 bags of wheat and each bag weighs 30 kg, how many quintals of wheat did he buy? So next he buys wheat bags. How many bags? 50 bags. What is the weight for each bag? 30 kgs. So the weight of each bag is 30 kgs. And weight of 50 bags of wheat is equal to 50 into 30. So here the ones place digits are zeros na. Now multiply tens place digits. 5 threes are 15. After how many zeros are there in two numbers? 1, 2. 2 zeros. So write 2 zeros. So totally 1500 kg. 1500 we have to change into quintals. So 1500 divided by 100. 2 zeros will cancel. How much remaining there? 15. So 15 quintals of wheat he buys. Here is the information, children. Look. Do you know the tallest land animal in the world? Can you estimate its weight? The tallest land animal in the world is giraffe. The tallest land animal in the world is giraffe. Its weight is about 1600 kg. Its weight is 1600 kg. The largest animal in the world is blue whale. The largest animal in the world is blue whale. Its weight is 180 tons. Its weight is 180 tons. Read the next question, children. How many quintals in the weight of giraffe and how many kg does a blue whale weigh? So how many quintals is the weight of a giraffe and how many kg does a blue whale weigh? So weight of giraffe, how many kgs? 1600 kgs. So you have to change into quintals now. So divide with 100. 1600 divided by 100. So two zeros get cancelled. 16 by 1 means 16 quintals. Next, weight of a blue whale. How many kgs? It is given in tons. 180 tons. So you have to change into kgs. 180 into 1 ton is equal to how many kgs? 1000 kgs. So here you multiply with 1000. 180 into 1000. So 1,80,000 kg. Okay. Next one. How many times is the weight of a blue whale to that of a giraffe approximately? How many times is the weight of a blue whale to that of a giraffe? So what is the weight of blue whale? 1,80,000 divided by the giraffe weight is 1600 kgs. Look here, two zeros get cancelled. So 1800 divided by 16. 16 ones 16. 2, 20. Again 16 ones 16. 20 minus 16, 4. 40. 16 threes. 16 threes 48. So here they are asking approximately 113 times. Okay. Now heavy weights such as marble stones, cars, etc. are carried in lorries and container trucks. People use cranes to lift heavy weights. So heavy weights such as marble stones, cars, bikes, these are carried in lorries and container trucks. People use cranes. Do you know this vehicle? Crane to lift heavy weights. Okay children, open your workbook. There are some weights about weights exercise is given children. Open your workbook. Now page number 32 in workbook. Convert the following as directed. One is done for you. So here they are given weight for this book 5 kgs. So you have to write in grams. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So here 5 kg means 5000 grams. Like this you will convert the given. So here look children, watermelon weight 9 kgs. So convert 9 kgs into grams. 9 kgs into grams. 9 into 1000, 9000 grams. Next one, ball weight 3 kgs. Ball weight is 3 kgs. Convert into grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now 3 kgs is equal to 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000 how much children? 3000 grams. Next 7 kgs. 7 into 1000. 7 into 1000. 7000 grams. Next 1 kg. 1 kg means 1000 grams. Next one 4 kg. 4 into 1000, 4000 grams. Next 600 grams. They are given in grams and you have to convert into kgs. 6000 grams. So you have to change into kgs. So divide with 1000. 1 kg means 1000. So divide with 1000. 3 zeros get cancelled. 6 divided by 1 means 6 kgs. Next 8,000 grams. 8,000 divided by 1000. 3 zeros get cancelled. 8 by 1 means 8 kg. Note the weight of each object. Note the weight of each object. Here sugar, cupcake, bag are given. So here are some indicators. So they shows weight for that object. So sugar bag weight how many kgs? So the indicator indicates kgs here. How many kgs? The indicator is on 5. So 5 kg. 5 kg. Next one. This one. This indicator indicates in grams. So how many grams? 300 grams. 300 grams. This bag. So here it indicates kgs. How many kgs? 2 kgs. The bag weight is 2 kgs. So write children, 5 kg, 300 grams, 2 kg. Next one. Here cake, fish, cookies are given. Are the objects here. Now look. This one, this indicator indicates kgs. How many kgs? This cake weight 3 kgs. The weight of the cake is 3 kgs. Next, this indicator indicates grams. How many grams? This fish weight how many grams? 1100 grams. 1100 means 1 kg 100 grams. Next, this indicator also indicates grams. So cookies weight. What is the weight for cookies? 400 grams. 400 grams. Come to the next page children, page number 34. Convert the following. So here are given, some are given in grams and some are given in milligrams, some are given in kilograms. You have to change them. So first of all, 1 kg means how many grams children? 1000 grams. Okay, 1 kg means 1000 grams. Look here, the thousands place indicates kgs. Thousands place indicates kgs. Thousands and 10,000s places indicates kgs. The remaining 100, tens, ones places indicates grams. Okay. So look here. 10,870 grams. In this, how many kgs are there? 10 kg. And the remaining number is grams. 870 grams. Okay. Next one, 14,328 grams. So how many kgs are here? 14 kg and 328 grams. Next one, 16,793 milligrams. So 1 gram equal to how many kgs children? Tell me. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So here also the thousands place indicates thousands and 10,000s place indicates grams and the remaining 3 digits are milligrams. So here 16 grams 793 milligrams. Okay. Next one, 23,000 kg. Convert into tons. So 1 ton is equal to how many kgs? 1000 kgs. If you divide with 1000, what we get? 3 zeros get cancelled. What is the remaining number? 23 divided by 1 means 23. So 23,000 kg means 23 tons. Next one, 17,934 grams. Convert into kgs and grams. So the thousands and 10,000s places are kgs. The remaining number is grams. 934 grams. Next here, they are given in milligrams. So the thousands and 10,000s places are grams and the remaining number is milligrams. So 19 grams, 76 milligrams. Okay. If they given here grams, not milligrams, if they given in grams, the thousands and 10,000s places are kgs and the remaining number grams. But here they are given in milligrams. They are given in milligrams. So here you have to convert into grams and milligrams. Here also the thousands and 10,000s places are grams and the remaining number is milligrams. Half kg. Half kg means 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams na. So 1 by 2 kg. Divide with 2. 2 5s are 10. Remaining how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So half kg means how many grams? 500 grams. Half kg means 500 grams. Next. 13,600 kg. Convert into tons and kgs. So if you divide with 1000. So here also no need to divide, children. The thousands and 10,000s places are tons and the remaining are kgs. So 13 ton 600 kgs. 13 ton and 600 kg. Okay. Next, children, use lesser than, greater than, equal to make each statement true. And some more, solve the following and some more word problems are there, children, in your workbook about weight. These we will discuss in the next video, children. Up to here you will learn thoroughly. Okay, children. So the page number 34 continuation we will discuss in the next video, children.